Welcome to PocketDump.com. I'm going to run through the functions on this Victorinox Farmer Alox. So the first thing you notice is that this is different to normal Swiss Army knives in that it doesn't have the ABS Solidor scales. Instead it has these Alox scales, which are a die-cut aluminium which have been treated to make it extra tough. Really tactile, feels really nice in the hand. Okay, so if we run through the features. So this is a Reamer or punch tool. This side is sharpened, which enables you to put holes in really tough materials such as leather. It then has a large, really sharp stainless steel blade. And that blade measures 2.5 inches. And that blade doesn't lock, it's less than 3 inches, and there's no assistance, so this is a UK legal carry. It also features this really nice saw with some really tough teeth. And that's almost 3 inches long. It has this manual can opener, which has a sharp section here, and you're able to open a can by moving that around the top. The top of the can opener is tapered, and that creates a small flat-headed screwdriver. Also features a bottle opener. The top of the bottle opener is shaped to be a slightly larger flat-headed screwdriver, and this small recess acts as a wire stripper. The keyring attachment allows you to attach it to keys or a lanyard. All in all, a really nice looking, and it feels really nice in the hand, multi-tool with some great functions. The Victorinox Farmer Alox.